Good day, dear clients, and welcome to the tutorial which will show you how to determine which differential model your BMW has. This is important when buying a full bearing set from our web shop because there are different selections, different bearing set types according to your differential type. To show you how to do that, we use BMW Fans database, uh, which is some of the best databases regarding BMW parts. Go to the spare parts and the website will show you a full BMW parts catalog right here. Then find your model here or manually or simply type last 7 digits of your VIN and click the code. It will pop up automatically. To show you manual way, let's say 92. This is example model. Let's say this and production year, gross parts. Then find the rear axle, go to it, and then find final drive and gasket set section, click to go in it, and transmission cover usually shows the type of differential. This is a type that this model carries, the type of differential. To get back on our web shop, find 215L, and this is the bearing set for our example car to purchase to repair the whining noise of the differential. Just to give you some tips regarding this, sometimes your model will show two differential types right here, maybe 188L slash 215L, and then that is what will determine which model you have is the type of the transmission. If you have automatic transmission, it will be listed right here. Automatic transmission usually carries the smaller differential case. So in this case, 188L will be paired with automatic transmission, while 215L will be paired with manual transmission. So if here is written two differential types, then check which gearbox you have. If it is automatic, then it's smaller case. If it's manual, then it's bigger case. So this is the fundamentals how to determine which differential type you have. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you will be satisfied with our products. If you don't want to do this, just simply go to the contact form on our web shop, send us last 7 digits of your VIN, and we will do it for you. But since we're receiving a lot of emails, this can take time. If you don't have patience, then use this video and check by yourself. Thank you for watching this. Thank you for visiting our web shop. Have a nice day and enjoy your stay.